Welcome to our office at the Slate Roof Warehouse. This is Joe Jenkins. We're going to look at a product here, the Freund hoseless soldering outfit. This is what they look like. Metal box. Let's open it up. This is the inside. This is the actual soldering device. Portable, nothing plugs in. It has gas canisters to go inside the handle. You get 3 gas canisters in the kit, and you can buy these by the case of 12. This is a flux bottle. You can keep your flux in it, but once you put flux in it, do not put it back in the box. You never want to put flux in any toolbox. This is sal ammoniac. It's for tinning the copper tip. You're just going to heat the tip and rub it on there with a little bit of solder. And then we have a couple of brushes here and some literature. This is the standard tip that comes with it, copper tip. But you can also buy the pointed tip, this one here. It'll mount on here like this. Alright, the canister comes in the back of it upside down, so you have to turn it around, screw it in tight all the way. Then we're going to fire it up. So to fire it up, we're going to turn it on, and then we're going to hit the igniter. Okay, now you can see it's burning. So we're just going to wait a few seconds, see how long that takes to heat up. Now it's melting, and we are going to rub this molten solder. See how it's sticking? It's tinning this. Probably should do it in a well ventilated area. You have to use flux. If you melt solder on a piece of copper like so with no flux, well, it doesn't stick. If you put some flux on the copper first and then melt some solder, that's how you have to do it. You have to have the flux. Solder sticks to copper if you flux it first. A little bit of flux. Heat this joint up. Turn it off, turn it back on, just like that.